Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut taking up a lot of storage on mobile phone, especially on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone and I'm going to show you some methods you can try to fix the problem. The first method I'm going to show you is removing the cache from your CapCut application. So you can go to your CapCut, open up your CapCut application and open up the CapCut setting. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, and I'm going to go to my profile and select this icon to open up the CapCut setting, and here you will be able to clear the cache in your CapCut application. Just click on clear cache and then click on confirm, and as you can see that I have already removed cache from my CapCut, so it's empty now. Okay, and by removing the cache from our CapCut, hopefully the storage will be free. Okay, and the second one, you can try to delete unused projects in your CapCut. Usually the project can also take a lot of storage in your phone, so I recommend you to delete your project. You can click on those three dots and then click on delete. Okay, especially the project which has big size. Okay, and the third method you can try is clearing or removing the cache of CapCut in your setting. You can go to your setting and then you're going to go to the apps. Okay, wait, click on the apps and then you're going to go to the CapCut application. You can scroll down until you find CapCut and then you can go to the storage. Okay, and then you can clear cache here. Or actually, you can also remove the data of your CapCut, but you need to remember that if you remove the data, it means that the CapCut will be back to its default state, like the first time you install CapCut. It will remove your login info and then also the project and the effect you have just that you have downloaded. Just remember that. If you don't mind, you can remove the data as well because it will free up a lot of space in your mobile phone. Okay, and that's all the way to fix CapCut taking up a lot of storage on the phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.